or introduced soup in India over 20 years back. So soup is a category which is quite niche, was new to Indians, was not a part of their daily routine, and hence it was essentially a market development task. As of 2013, the penetration of the category was very low. It was hovering around 4.5, and hence there was something which we needed to change radically in our mix or the way we were driving it in the market. We decided to actually make a big leap in terms of making changes to our portfolio. We had this jewel called instant soup in our portfolio, which was just delegated to modern trade. We decided to overhaul the entire 6 P's of that mix to suit it to the Indian environment, to the consumer needs here. And that is when this entire journey began. We actually re-engineered the product to suit the Indian palate. We changed the packaging, so instead of those standalone pouches, we changed it to a strip format so that it's visible in stores. We introduced hangers to hang it with the strips that we had. We changed the price point to a magic price point of ₹10. We also made a very big change in terms of the proposition of the portfolio. We positioned it as a snack. So all these changes were executed over a period of 3 months flat. We continue to sample this over 5 months in the whole year in modern trade, and since we do it continuously, we make sure we sample to the same consumer some 3 to 4 times, which actually reaped very good results for us. Instant soup now is 30% of our category turnover. In 2015, we did approximately 40 crores of turnover with instant soup alone. The penetration jump was 100 BPS over a year. It was the cumulative of the last 5 years, and such an increase in penetration we've never seen before. With respect to market share, instant soup is now 25% market share standalone. It has helped our overall brand market share jump by some 1000 BPS. The first thing was, for market development categories, it is important to assess all the 6 P's and make changes if required to suit the local environment. The second thing is about access packs are a key trigger to market development and to generate trials. The third thing is about sampling is very important to drive trials and conviction in the product. The benchmark is to sample to 50% of the aware target audience.